Do that look like I'm put together? Probably not, because I'm really not. Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome to my world. In today's video, we're going to be doing a review, unbagging, unboxing, whatever you want to call it, on this month's March Ipsy bag. So if you're interested in seeing the video, keep watching. So if you are not sure what Ipsy is, it's like a subscription service. It's like you can subscribe to this monthly subscription, which is $10 a month for the basic. I don't know about the plus, but you get 5 products, deluxe or sample size, based off of your preferences. Like you have to take a test, you like go through like your skin tone, your eye color, what type of products you like, what type of brands you usually buy, stuff like that. You literally go and have like your preferences set, and then they just send you 5 products based off of what you have chosen. I think it's pretty cool. This is my first time trying it. The fact that you get 5 products for $10 a month is great. And then something I realized, I don't know if they did this last month in February, but if you did it early or something, signed up soon, you got a free thing added to your bag. This time when I did sign up, not only did I get this free contour brush for signing up when I did, or like ordering the bag when I did, but I also did add-ons. And I'm gonna stop ranting. Let's just get into the bag. Let's just start with the bag itself. This rose gold bag, and it just says, "And off she went to change the world." And interesting. Let's open. Let's get the pamphlet out. On it, it says it's National Women's History Month. To celebrate, we loaded your March glam bag with female-founded brands and girl boss staples, and helping us like damn good along the way. So basically they tell you exactly what you get on this pamphlet, which you already know. Before you even get to look at the add-ons or anything, you'll see what's going to be in your bag, and then there's videos and stuff so you could check it out beforehand. Let's start with this eyeshadow because the packaging is pretty cute. The eyeshadow, it looks like that. Space Case Cosmetics, and I actually did open this because I just wanted to know if I got the green or the purple one. I got that. The Space Case eyeshadow and Messy Locknessy. It says like tip, and then there's a tip at the bottom. Let's swatch it. Looks like that, and oh my god. Ooh, it is soft. That is so pretty, like just like a green look in general. Next, a brush. This is the Royal and Lang Nickel Motor Pro Precision Angle Brush. Just is an angle brush. It looks like that, like your cheekbones, down the bridge of your nose, cupid's bow, and chin. I don't use a highlighter brush. It's small for my cheekbones, but I'll use it anywhere else for highlight. Girl, I see it. This gonna come in handy because it's something I ordered. Next is this Ciate London Mini Lip Bluster and Kiss Me. I've already tested this because my friend Natalia had one, but let's put it on. Can you see a difference? I think you can, but let me swatch this for you. It's just like a light pink with pink iridescence in it. I think you can see that. Next is our Lord & Berry Voluto eyeliner in Supreme Green. Literally like a hunter green. I like that. Like, I don't know how if I would ever really reach for it, but I think that's the good thing about like subscription boxes. You get a bunch of stuff, and it just allows you to try makeup you probably usually wouldn't reach for, even though you choose your preferences. I put adventurous colors, so I'm not mad at it. Like, yeah. Last thing in the actual bag itself is the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Porifying Face Mask. I usually stick to the same skin routine, so don't know how well that's gonna work. So for $10, I think it's completely worth it. I got 5 new makeup products, or like I got skincare product. You could put that you don't like any skincare products, but I'm like, why not? I'm here for this. Let's start off with my add-ons. The 2 things that I've got for $3, which this is a full size. This is a deluxe one, I think. And this is a Jolie Cosmetics matte lip cream. I love shit like this. Like, this looks like a mauve-y purple-ish matte, but when someone wore it in a video, it looked pretty creamy. I don't know if it's gonna dry down, so let's just put it on our hand for now. Like, does that not look pretty? yes, I'm here for this. This was worth $3. They would have put it in my bag for free instead of that face mask because I don't usually wear face masks. But like, next we have this Ofra highlighter, and I remember like I didn't even really care about the color. Literally seen highlighter, I'm like, yes, full size, $3. Ofra. I know I like their eyeshadows and stuff. So this is in the shade Star Island. Like, oh my god. Ooh, it's soft too. That's just one swipe of it. This looks like something that would be really good for a natural glow. Do you see that? It looks kind of wet. Like, oh my god. I just want to see some real quick. Let's try it how they say on your cheekbone. For like less harsh. No glow. This is like natural glow but better. Then last thing, the thing that came free for me signing up, getting the bag when I did, was this Luxie Beauty small contour brush. I see a lot of angled contour brushes and all that, but like this one, I really think will be cool. Brushes, 2 new brushes. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video for real though. Like, I definitely plan on ordering from Ipsy again because I like it, but it's just like I am so impatient. But for the most part, I love like all the swatches, the shades, the lip gloss. I just hope you guys enjoyed.